In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google account inside your GoHighLevel Agency System Software Hub. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to your GoHighLevel Agency dashboard. Once the page loads, log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're entering your own login details securely and that you fully access the main agency area before moving on. If the platform takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds so everything appears properly on screen. After you're logged in, the next part is to head straight to the settings area. Inside your agency dashboard, look for settings and open it. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your account and connected services. Once you're in settings, navigate to the integrations tab. The integrations section is the place where GoHighLevel allows you to connect outside tools and services, including Google. When you arrive at the integrations page, take a moment to locate the Google account connection area. You should see a service card or module for Google account. This section is specifically designed to help you link your Google profile so it can work with features inside the platform. If you don't immediately see it, scan the page carefully and make sure you're on the correct tab inside settings. Once you've found the Google account card, click the connect button inside that box. This will begin the process of linking your Google account to the system. In most cases, a new window or pop-up will appear, asking you to continue with Google and choose the account you want to connect. Follow the prompts shown on your screen and review any permission requests carefully before approving them. As you go through the connection process, it's a good idea to make sure your browser allows pop-ups for the site, since blocking them can interrupt the sign-in flow. Also, confirm that you're selecting the correct Google account if you manage more than one. Choosing the right account from the start can save time and prevent confusion later. Once the connection is successful, your Google account should now be linked inside the GoHighLevel integrations area. At that point, you can move on to whatever Google connected tasks you need to complete within the platform. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google account in GoHighLevel using Chrome.